Glam candle holder set, and we're going to be using this iridescent glitter I got from Walmart. We're going to use this vase. I got this vase from the Goodwill. Brushes, glue, and we're also going to use this diamond wrap that I got off of Amazon as well. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our vase and we're going to pour our clear glue inside of the vase. And y'all, what I do is I take off this so that I can get down in here. So I start at the bottom first, go all around the vase. My goal is to make sure that I get those little spaces in between. Okay, so this is how the vase is looking now, y'all. I really do love the iridescent colors, the reflection of the colors that show through the vase. The next thing we're going to do is we're just going to place our diamond wrap or bling wrap or whatever you want to call it around the neck of the vase. And it's just that simple, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and we're gonna get into making the candle holders. Okay, Glam fam, so let's go ahead and get into making our candle holder. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this tape. I got these off of Amazon. And you're just gonna take the tape off the front and the back, because we want a clear look. So all we're gonna do is take this and I'm using hot glue because I don't want a permanent hold. So if you want a permanent hold, you may need to use some E6000 or something like that. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our clear glue and we're going to go around the edges of it. We're going to just try to leave a little space in the middle where we're going to glue the candle holder onto. So So we're not going to use a whole lot of glue. These squares I got, they came from Michael's. They're like some fake ice cubes. So if you just put that in there, and you could use that as your guide to how much you want, how much glue you want under. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put our glitter. We're going to use our glitter to put on top of the candle. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and put these to the side. Y'all look at this shimmer. It is so pretty. Okay, so we're going to take our ice cubes. And we're going to try to find the most leveled sides, because they're not like leveled. So that's what we're going to try to do. Try to find the most level sides. And we're going to kind of like crisscross it like that. Okay, so as I said, they're not leveled. But let me just tell you that what can work is, like, say for instance you put this on there and it's not leveled. You can put some glue on it to make it level. Just, you know, add some glue on it too. That's just a tip. Some stuff that I be doing sometimes. So this ice, you're just gonna glue 4 pieces or however tall you want your candle holder to be. So we're gonna sit that to the side as well. And like I said, it's not even, so I'm gonna try to make it as even as possible, as much as I can. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our gems, and these gems I also got from Amazon. And we're just gonna put it on there like that. We're gonna do another gem, and I'm gonna show y'all that what I'm doing is I'm trying to save some gems by using the small pieces in between, because I don't think I'm gonna have enough to do exactly what I want to do. So I'm just gonna use the small. And I'm just ironing this, so if you want, you can, however you need to do to get it straight, that's fine. Okay, so now we have this, our kind of sort of like a lotus flower. We're gonna go ahead and put some glue on top of the um, on top of the clear plastic circle. Well, it's acrylic. So we're just gonna put that on top of there, and hopefully it stays. So we're just gonna add some glue onto here, and I'm gonna put more glue on this side because it looks like this side is the side that is kind of like leaning. So we're just gonna put this on top because I tried to find some blocks, y'all, some clear acrylic blocks, and no, I had no luck. So this is just gonna have to work. So all we're gonna do now is put our glue on the back of the candle holder and set it on top. And there we go. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get the vase in the other candle holder, and we're gonna see how everything looks together, y'all. Okay, Glam fam, so this is the finished look of the vase and the candle holders. I am like in awe. I love it. It is so beautiful. The rainbow colors are amazing. It's just so cute. I didn't like this at first. I didn't like the iridescent colors, but I'm really like into it now. So y'all, if y'all like this, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.